Hello guys! Today I'll show you how to create a content page in Power BI. Here we have several tabs, main numbers, analysis, some comparison, and I would like to add content page. So first of all, we should go to the Insert, Buttons, Navigator, and Simple Page Navigator. The simple one. We have list of our tabs as you see, and when we press Ctrl plus left click we go to this page. So what do we have now? This is some simple content page, but I would like to show you how to create it. It's more convenient way, more beautiful way. So first of all, shape. We can make it arrows, chevron arrows, and different types. First of all, I would like to change orientation by vertical. Here we have nice one. Love it. So I would like pentagon arrow, the nice one. Here you can like change some parameters, some sizes, etc. Make some rotation as you see. This is the interesting one. Here we can change how it looks like when it's default, when hover, press or selected for this buttons. Yeah, so in default we can change the text, how it feel like default. Let's see, such one, or maybe this nice one. Have a border, it's okay. Maybe shadow, some sort of shadow, glow. This this is nice. Yeah. Then we can change the when we go this way. You see, it's like you change color by white, and we can change how it interact with it, like by okay, let's it be this. Yeah, nice, nice. So border the same, shadow the same, and like when it press, so let's say it will be, this is pink one. See, when I press it's like pink, and when selected it's like this black one. So let's change it red one. Oh, no, not this red. Nice. So this is the main things that I should say about this type of content page. So after that you can add some text boxes with some text about like main numbers. Let's say um, this way, key figures and metrics. So you can add some description about each of your page. It's easy one. Yeah, and the third one, like I prepare like description. Yes. So that's all. That's all you need to know about content page.